Hi, everybody. It's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And I was going to say this week's, but I am going to take this week off. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So I'm just going to take this week off and kind of just take it easy. Friday, I started my implant procedure or whatever. So they pulled that infected tooth and scraped all that out, disinfected it or whatever they do. I don't know. I'm not a dentist. I'm a stamper. And then they put the graft stuff in and got it. So this whole side, I'm even like still swelled up. So I've been like putting ice and everything and Tylenol and antibiotics and a special mouth rinse. And, so I'm just not my normal perky self. I guess I'm feeling a little sorry for myself that I'm having to go through this. And I know there's much more problems in the world than my tooth problem. But that being said, I just kind of want to take it easy this week. I wanted to come in and remind you of a few things. Don't forget that you only have till the end of this month to get your mini masterpiece for the month of August, the cute little winter Wilma. And so when you order 75 before tax and shipping in the month of August, I'll send you one of those little winter Wilma mini masterpieces with your thank you card. And so I have my scrapbooking books that I still have to put pictures in. So it's not like I don't have stuff to do around here, to kind of keep me busy, keep my mind off of it. I love to read. I love to nap with the dog. And I also picked up some cute like paint by numbers. Look how cute this little chicken is. I haven't done a paint by number since I was a kid. So I'm kind of hoping that the paints smell the same. Isn't that bad? I just remember that the paints had a specific kind of smell to them. So I got that cute little chicken one. And I got this really cool hydrangea one. So we'll see. I got them off of Amazon, I believe. So we'll see how good they are, right? But anyways, so I do have stuff to kind of keep me busy. And I want to thank you all for all your friendships and your emails. And so just maybe you yourself also like take some downtime. It's always good to kind of do that, right? Like, maybe watch a movie, read a book, maybe you crochet, maybe you knit, maybe you do other things. I have hundreds of plants that, I always tend to. But yeah, so I'm just going to take the week off. And then next week will be, we'll still be in August next week. I'm like looking at the calendar. Yeah, because this is like the last full week of August. And then we'll still have Monday, which is the 31st, before we get into September. So I won't get my stitches out till I think September the 2nd. But I surely need to be feeling better before then. So, and the antibiotics just make me have like, my mouth feels gross, I've been eating yogurt. I can't really eat much over here. Maybe I'll lose some weight. Oh, I'm going to stop blabbing. So, so hopefully that, you're fine with this. And I will see you next week. If you have any questions, though, always reach out to me, whether here in the chat during the video premiere, or if you're watching the replay and you have questions or comments, leave them below, because then YouTube does let me know that I have a question or a comment so I can reach out to you. You can always email me. You can always go to my blog over here and reach out to me that way. But have a great week, everyone. And I will see you next week. All right. Bye for now.